Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Cosmo YouTuber here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own resource pack for Minecraft. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is download a template in the description below, and you should get this zip file. We don't want the zip file. We want to be able to open up the zip file and edit it a lot easier in there. So, if you have 7-zip, this is gonna make the process a whole lot easier. But if you have some like kind of zip opener, you're gonna want to there's a file inside the zip file right here, and the idea is we want to get it inside this folder, inside your downloads folder, whatever. We want to get it out of that zip file. So 7-zip makes it really easy. I can just click that button. Boom, it makes a file for me with all the stuff inside it. That file inside. So I don't need to worry about that. And here's all the stuff inside the file when you open it up. We can get rid of that zip file now. Okay, so there are 4 things in there. There is the assets folder, the pack.mc meta, a pack.png, which is my logo, and my readme.txt. If we open up this readme.txt, it's a very important txt with this very special command. We're going to need that command, so keep this open to the side, and then you're going to go to your downloads section, and you're going to click here, and you're going to do Windows key and then R at the same exact time. And then we're going to take this command, copy it, paste it in here, click done. Okay, and it'll pop up to your resource packs folder. You'll take this template, you're going to cut it by doing right click and cut, and then to your resource pack, just clicking paste right here. Okay, alright, this thing. We can get exit out of that for now. So here it is. Keep this command with you, and let's talk about these things. First thing we'll need to do is talk about the pack.mc meta. See here where it says your description? This is your descriptions of your resource pack. So I'm just gonna put tutorial description. Now here is the pack format. If you're doing 1.16 like me, it should be 5. I'll change it to 5 automatically in the zip file, so that's easier for you guys. Now that's set. The pack.png is the PNG image of your resource pack. A good dimension system for your image should be 128 by 128 or 64 by 64 or 32 by 32. Those are good images. Have an image right here, like if you take some random image, put it in here, and then make sure it's a PNG file, and then rename it to pack.png. And keep this open for now. We never know what might happen. And we go into our assets, Minecraft, and you see the sounds folder. We'll talk about the sounds maybe in the next video, and if we maybe get it early, we might be able to talk about this in today's video. So here is our textures once you open up our textures folder. So this is a very easy textures folder to access, and this is where all our textures start. I want to change a block that's easily noticeable, so we do block, and then we can search up our block right here, obsidian. There should be like some kind of like Mac editor, and we have a ton of new blocks in 1.16, like the crying obsidian and obsidian. Now, if we right click on here, we can click edit with Paint 3D, and then a project with Paint 3D should pop up here. And if we zoom in, we should see a normal Minecraft texture. If you click this pixel pen and set it to 1 pixel, we can then choose whatever color we like and then add the color surrounding it. If we want to undo, if there's a mistake, like we want to erase something, you can just use the eraser tool. Or if you want to undo something, you can do Control and Z, or you can just do undo button right there. So if you want to do the fill, I don't know why you would want to do this, but it does just that. So okay, this looks like very weird. And textures, let's do we can do the GUI too. So like this is the GUI right now. we can change like one of the GUIs and stuff and stuff and stuff and more stuff. So we can change the GUI if you want, like the presence, like the ISOs, the title. We can change the title and the background. I mean, look at these backgrounds, lame. If you want to change the background, same thing. Have an image and then just uh, 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 just change the image to paranormal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But first have paranormal overlay, then the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thingies. Oh wait, what did I just do? Okay, never mind, I did nothing. So I can change so much things here. Color map and I don't know, entities. We can change mobs, stuff and stuff and stuff like a bell body stuff. You know what? I actually want to make a blue bell. Cause why not? Why not make a blue bell? I don't know how this is gonna work though. So we just do like that, and then I think I have to go like that. Yeah, go like that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna catch up with you guys once I'm done with this. So basically, the next thing you'll want to do is basically just go to your settings and click use beta version of the launcher. Then go to Minecraft Java Edition, head back here, and then go to installations. You'll want to make sure to check this releases option. Then the next thing you'll want to do is just click new, and then go down here, and then scroll down until you find release 1.16.1. Name the release whatever you want. I'm just going to go release 1.16.1. And then here you can choose an icon of your choice. I'm going to use my logo. Over here you can just really just choose whatever icon you want. I'm just going to use my own. Here you want to mess with it. If you have a specific resolution, and you have a custom resolution and you want to use that, you can add that right here. But otherwise, just keep it at auto because you don't really want to touch that much. Then just click create, and then you can just click 1.16.1. I'll see you guys when I'm in Minecraft. Next thing you need to do is really just go into options, resource packs, and then here's the resource pack of yours. You can just click here and then just click done. And it should load up in a bit, and after this, you're done. What you can do now is basically just join a world and see your new textures in action. If you want to see a part 2 of this version and see the result of my resource pack, you can download this resource pack in the description below, or you can just wait till part 2 to see my reaction against this, because honestly I haven't seen the look of it myself. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, consider liking the video. If you like what I do here, consider subscribing. It really helps me and the channel out a lot. Oh, what's up, caption? Wait, no. The video's not over. I still need to tell him a few things. No, wait! No, wait! No! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like, please like. If you like what I do here, please subscribe. It's totally free and optional. Bye.